Alright, I have a big package. I'm in a big shipment from MOSKO MOTO. I can't wait to unbox this, but I was thinking, should we do it outside? Let's take it outside. Beautiful colors of fall setting in, and there's MOSKO MOTO luggage inside this. But before I unbox this, I want to tell you that I've been following MOSKO MOTO guys on ADV Rider for pretty long time, ever since they've even started designing their luggage systems. And I've been wanting their luggage system for a pretty long time, but I was in India. Now that I've moved to North America, finally getting my hands on this. Another good thing I want to mention about MOSKO MOTO guys is they themselves do a lot of riding of off-road, single tracks, camping trips, international motorcycle trips. So they've put all those needs that they've found into their luggage system. Especially this luggage system they've designed for minimalist, which is what matches my needs to continue my journey in North America. Now I'll make a separate video comparing the merits versus demerits of having this versus my existing pannier rack system in a different video. For now, without further ado, let's unbox this thing. This is a list of the is it recording? This is a list of the stuff there is. It's about 11 things, but I think on the label somewhere it says 14 items, so we're gonna go through each one of them now. Right, first thing out of the box is their booklet, and it's got a lot of stickers in it. Look at that, that's a couple of those are going on my motorcycle. There is a reason for return, which I don't think will happen, but okay. And a lot of their stuff that is written, which I'll read later, not for this video, for me. So if you want to read this, go buy the luggage. Next is their manual to get the Reckless 80 system. Oh, did I just end up telling you what is inside? Okay, damn it. And this is the first bag that came out of there, Stinger 22. So these bags have been fattened out to fit into the shipment, but the beauty of these bags are when you actually see them full. But here you go. The first bag is the Stinger 22. This goes on the top of my tail rack. Alright, second thing to come out are these two. This is Reckless 80's liner, the side liners I believe. These are blue in color this time. I think that's one thing I believe is for the version 2 of the Reckless 80. Look at that. That is big. That is big. I did not expect this to be this big. So you put your stuff in there, then you roll them, and then you strap them. This is basically waterproof. There's like two of them because, you know, both sides. So I'm just gonna unbox one for now. Later you'll see it on my bike. This is a heat shield for my luggage, because on the dual sports, some of them you need this heat shield. They recommend you put it in. It saves your bag. Some tools and stuff that is required to mount. Let's just set them aside. Next up, the backcountry cinch strap. This is very useful in the emergency situation, especially while backcountry riding. If you want to pull out your motorcycle out of some stuck mud, or temporarily or emergency strapping you have to do. Sometimes, you know, you have some loose luggage falling off. Should I show you this now? Maybe we'll just go to the luggage. I'm going to show you this later. Right, next up is the security strap. This also I'm going to put it in a different video. I'm not going to unbox this now. But this is for my luggage security. I maybe should get one more because I think I made a small miscalculation. This strap will secure one side of my luggage, and I'm guessing I'll put all my expensive stuff in there, like my laptop and stuff. But it strikes me that I should probably put that on the center, on the Stinger bag. That means I need two of these. I'm going to tell you that in a different video, but this is pending. Next up is 2 sets of MOLLE pouches. I'm going to unbox one and show it to you guys. This is super useful. Let's just say you want to carry just a water bottle or a fuel can, like an MSR fuel can with you, and you just want it to be super accessible on your luggage system. I've had this issue last time where I had to, just take everything out of my bag to access this. This is gonna help because this goes onto the side of my Reckless 80, which is coming next. So two sides, maybe one water bottle and one fuel can, or maybe both fuel can. Yet to decide. We'll see later. This is a 10-pole pocket. So this is a nice little addition to the Reckless pannier system. Look at that. Look at that. So you can put your 10-pole in here. I believe you can do 2-man, 3-man tents. You'll have to excuse me on that. It will not fit a tent, but it will fit your tent poles. So if you have like wet tent poles or dirty tent poles and you just want to store them away quickly and you can access them again quickly, you can put in this, and it'll also not damage, because look at that. Look at the thickness of this thing. This can take your tent poles and not get damaged. Next up is this. This is a 20-liter dry sack, basically a 20-liter dry sack. Just put your dry clothes in here if you want, or put your wet clothes in here, depending on how you want to solve that wet dry separation problem. Just put them in, roll up, latch it, store it away properly in your bag. Keeps your wet and dry stuff segregated. Now the last thing, but not the least, and I can probably just move away this box, move away everything from here. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been so much lusting after. This is the MOSKO MOTO Reckless 80 version 2. This is going to replace the pannier system and the Cortex bags that are on my motorcycle right now. Check this out. This is the mounting system. This is the mounting base. It has a provision for fueling up for those motorcycles that have like a rear inlet for fuel. Some of this pouch, which is probably waterproof to store away your documents and such. And this thing looks very sturdy. Very sturdy. Brand new Reckless 80. But this is just the base. This is the actual thing. Look at this. Wow. Look at that reinforcement. Wow. That looks so good. It also feels so good. So I guess I just have to attach this stuff, probably bolts or something, which is probably in the kit. So this is one side. This is one side of it, and the MOLLE pouches go on one side, I believe. And this tent pole, I am guessing, on one of these sides. I still have to figure it out. It's like a Lego, and it's fun. Now I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna unbox both. There you go. Look at that. This is all compressed just to ship it, but man, it is tough. It's freaking tough. You can feel this thing is so tough. And there's like reinforcement from inside. I can feel that my hand internal in here is really far from here. So let me see if I can show you the rough arrangement. It's not gonna stand, or maybe it'll. Please stand. Okay. This one goes together. This bench is really helping. This go on another side. This steel core goes under the other side where my exhaust is. These stack up your stuff and just drop inside this. So this system just stays on your bike, while this, you can pull it out and take it inside your tent. And this is going to be waterproof. And this stinger goes on the top like this. So it's like a 3-piece luggage system. It's just that it is so modular that it can actually work separately. Like you can function with just one bag, or just 2 sides, or just the top, which is great. I can't wait to put this on my bike. and that'll be on my next leg of this journey of motorcycling through North America. But for now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below as I use the system, and look forward to seeing nice pics on my Instagram. Follow me there. This is Heartbroken Biker signing off. Sayonara with my new MOSKO MOTO luggage.